This looks nice. I like it. Oh, hi guys, you're back. I didn't even see that the camera start again. Me and these lips. I tell you, I love my lips. Yum. So, hi guys, it's your girl Ayana, and I'm back again today with another fantastic video. But before I start, I have to say shout out to thank you for your awesome support and this beautiful comments. And today I am going to be giving you some tricks and tips on how to get more watch hours. So welcome to my channel, and today I'm just gonna be using your mobile phone to get your watch hours up. Yes, I'm reaching out for those people that I know don't have any laptop. So now you can get your hours by just using your phone. And how you do that? So head over to your Play Store and download Multiple View Browser. Yes, I'm gonna show you step by step what you do, how you do it, and how you get these watch hours spamming. I'm giving you 2 weeks, baby, to come back and say, Yana, you did this for me. Thank you. Yeah, you remember, you like my video, my content, remember, leave a comment down below. It motivates me to keep putting out more content like this. So watch, learn, and go build your channel and get monetized. You'll be coming back to this genius, baby. I know you do. So hi guys, so we're going to download the app Multiple Viewer, MULITI View Browser. There you go. I already don't install it on my phone, so I'm just gonna open it and go straight ahead for you and let you know what to do and how it works. Okay, open. All right, so there you have it. I already searched for my video, so all you're gonna have to do is just search for YouTube. You can add more than one browser at a time. This have the maximum of 6 browser, so I'm gonna use the triple browser first. So I already searched my name, and as you can see, so here you have it, guys. You click this red button right here. It shows you the videos that are open, and if you click on two will become zoom in. Click on one will zoom in, and there you can change the option and do what you have to do. Now I'm gonna go on the 6 player, so we're browsing 6 videos at the same time. All right, there you have it. 6 videos browsing at the same time. Let me click and do the rest. And this is how you build up your watch hours. But my video here is too short for that, so I recommend that you oh wow, hi, you're looking. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I reload the page, so now everything will be mute and I can see what I have to say. I recommend that you have a playlist, and each time you upload new content, just create a playlist for this so YouTube don't detect anything. And remember, as I said before, there's nothing to worry about using this app. Please to come back and say thank you when it works so well for you. All right, I would very much appreciate it. It have works for me, and I know it will work for you. I create this channel just to help other YouTubers, so I know it will work for you just the same. All right, so this is how you build up your watch hour using your mobile phone. And I also have another video coming, that's part 2, how you can use your laptop. Double the blessing, right? So leave a comment down below. Remember, give your girl all the love and a big thank you for sharing this information with you. And the next thing that you do when you're doing this so that it works, remember to click off these: screen sleep off, image replacement off. All right, very good, very good. Remember to do so. Okay, bingo. So there you have it. And you can always choose whatever pattern you want to view them in. I am protecting you always. So are you going to worry if this is going to affect your channel? No, baby. No. Are you worried that you won't be monetized by doing this? No, baby, nothing will happen. You will be just fine. The only thing that might happen is that YouTube might remove some of the watch hours, but you already know how to put it back. You already know how to put it back, so them not have nothing over you. So yeah, you already know how to put it back. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And let me give you a little tip and another little tricks. You upload your video as normal, create a playlist every time, and that way now you will just be covering what you're doing, right? And also give it a nice little name like popular music video. YouTube won't catch on to that because we love our music video. Reason why I'm helping other YouTubers, I was once that YouTuber before I grow and can help you today, that would reach out to other YouTubers for help and they would be silence, or they shun you, or they don't have no time, or they this. I'm looking out for you because I know what it's like. So listen to me, go get your watch hours. I'm gonna do a video about the subscribers too. You don't want to miss that. I'm not asking you, don't want to miss that. I'm going to be so I'm just helping you out because I know what it's like on this journey, and teamwork make the dream work. And thank you so much for being my loyal supporter. So as always, I'm leaving you. I'm your girl. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You see, it's not always about the subscribe because me do that last. What if you don't watch my video till it finish? I know what it's like on the YouTube journey, and this is why I am literally helping. I don't have a problem helping. Remember, use up the comment section. Any video you want me to put out, bam, I'll drop it for you. I'll do the research for you and give you the content that you need. So this is just part 1 of how to get your watch hour on your phone. Part 2 is coming. I also know how to get it on your computer. Yeah. So if you want double the trouble, I'm here for you. So guys, as always, you know your queen, she's out. I'm back to being my me. Let's see, did I miss a spot somewhere here? No. Wow, I love this color. Right, it's very nice. Wow, girl, your lips are